fourth graders, let's do some math. Day 18. Let's get started. So number 1 here, I know it's 3 numbers here stacked on top of each other, but that's okay. We're just going to start from the top and work our way down. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Once again, 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Excuse me. 729. Okay, on to number 2. Claire has 43 stickers in her collection. Remember, we're going to underline important details. And Paul has 412. How many more stickers does Claire have? Wait, how many more stickers does Claire have? Well, that's not true. Paul has more stickers than Claire. So that's actually a mistype. So here's what we're going to do. We're just going to cross off Claire here, and we're going to write Paul. How many more stickers does Paul have? So what that means is now we're going to set up a subtraction problem to find out how many more stickers Paul has than Claire. So 412 minus 43. Paul has 412 stickers, Claire has 43. Can't subtract 2 from 3, we gotta look to the neighbor. Can't subtract 1 from 4, gotta look to the neighbor again. So that 4 becomes a 3. That 1 becomes an 11. Gonna have to cross that out. 11 becomes 10, and 2 becomes 12. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 10 minus 4 is 6. And we have our 3. 396. Paul has 396 more stickers than Claire. Number 3. Speaking of subtraction, here we go. Once again, we cannot subtract 0 from 5. Gotta look to the neighbor. Can't subtract 0 from 6. Look to the neighbor again. You can subtract 3 from 1, so that 3 becomes a 2. And that 0 becomes a 10. Then we're going to have to borrow again, so that 10 becomes a 9, and we have 10 here. 10 minus 5 will give us 5. 9 minus 6 will give us 3, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Our answer is 135. Number 4, which is longer, 120 minutes, 3 hours. Here's the question you need to ask yourself. How many minutes are in 1 hour? Well, we talked about this earlier. There are 60 minutes in an hour. So 3 hours would be 60 minutes plus 60 minutes plus 60 minutes. And that's 120, 20, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 180. I'm going to move it over here just because I'm bleeding. 100 and... Excuse me. 120. 180 minutes. Yes. So 180 minutes in 3 hours. Now we know that. Which is longer? 120 minutes or 180 minutes? 180 minutes. So, excuse me, having some writing issues. So 3 hours. Here we go. Number 5, write in standard form, 60,841. So we did a lot of this practice earlier. 60,841. There you go. Number 6, what is the largest number you can make using these numbers? 1, 6, 4, 5. So we need to understand some place value here. So we have 4 digits, which means we're going to have a number in the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. What's the biggest number here? Well, 6. So 6,000. Next biggest number is 541. Largest number you can make there, 1,541. And number 7. There were 876 hamburgers sold in June and 1,503 hamburgers sold in July. How many hamburgers were sold in all? Remember, when we see in all, we're talking addition. So we have 976 hamburgers, 1,503 hamburgers. We're going to add these together. 1,503 plus 876. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 7 plus 0 obviously is 7. And 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 down below. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Remember to bring down your comma. 2,379 hamburgers were sold in all. Good job today. Let's look ahead at tomorrow. Another addition problem with 3 numbers stacked up there. Subtraction. Ooh, multiplication. Multiplication. We're going to be talking about that more this week. Okay, another word problem. Remember to underline important details. We have 3 things here in all. Remember that means addition. Subtraction again. Another rounding. Going back to some rounding here. Remember, nearest 1,000. You got to know your place value here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. There you go. Write the amount of money that is a nickel less than $1. How many cents are in a nickel? How much is a nickel worth? That's what you need to know to help you solve that one. Have an amazing day. We will see you tomorrow.